There are many solutions for BitAxes and nerd axes. Different type of cooling. You got the ice cooling. You have the bigger argon one coolers. You have what I like to call the modern type of cooling, which you'll see over here. And now we finally found the best solution for the ultimate cooling, which you can have it drop. I've tested so many different types of cooling, different types of heat sinks, different types of fans, and different type of complete solutions, which are more kind of tunnel-like. But ultimately, the best solution for the best cooling is this squid format, which uses 120 millimeter type of cooling, and you can drop it all the one to 51. I even got it to 47 at stock, but I actually managed to overclock this to 1.55 terahertz with no issue. I can probably go up much higher. The only problem I'm having there is that the power supply is only a 40 watt power supply, and with 40 watt power supply you really don't want to push it above the 80% limit. I'm also ordering a different type of fan, which is more efficient. By the way, this is quite quiet and quite efficient. If you are interested in this type of cooling solution, which by far is the best cooling out of all the methods that I have tested, ping me in the channel, ping me in the comments. I'll tell you where you can 3D print this or buy it yourself, and it's absolutely a game changer. I will show you on the PC also how efficient it is and how much more hash you can get from it. So this is the final product after it 3D prints. As you can see, it's quite large, considering all you're trying to do is cool here. It's really quite the ultimate solution. But as you can see, you can drop down the temperature at stock value, stock numbers at 42.9 Celsius, which is insane. But this is keeping it stock. Of course, I overclocked it, which is the whole point of, adding cooling. As you can see, we're gonna hit quite high numbers here, from 145, 160, 163, 155, 170. You're gonna see. My only concern here, again, from the beginning of the video, you can see I had a custom power supply, which would be ideal considering you are going to be pushing the power supply. And as you know, there's an 80% rule on all these power supplies, because they do tend to burn. So you want to try and keep the amount of power to 80% of its value. So I believe this power supply is a 40 watt power supply. So you can push it a little bit furthermore, but I didn't want to overdo it, because I've already burned 3 power supplies, and you want to try and keep it conservative. Otherwise, you can get those bigger, better power supplies like I had. Anyway, so as you can see here, over a period of time, even with overclocking here at 1.71 terahertz, it's still 57.3 Celsius, which is fantastic. Now, if you want to know how to print this, I obviously printed it myself. You can buy it already printed. You can actually buy the 3D printed STL file and print it yourself. So if you're interested, comment in the comments for me, and I will tell you where to get it from.